On a quiet morning in Dubai, the green grass suddenly stirs. And there it is, the hoopoe, with its crown of feathers like a tiny royal helmet. This striking bird, with warm cinnamon orange feathers and bold black and white wings, looks almost painted by hand. And when it's curious or excited, that crest opens like a fan, a sight you never forget. Watch closely, its long, curved bill is like a built-in tool, perfect for probing deep into the soil. Every slow, deliberate step is part of its hunt for insects and grubs. And here's the secret: hoopoes can detect tiny movements underground that we can't even see. From golf courses to quiet backyards, hoopoes are surprisingly comfortable in the UAE's open green spaces. You'll often find them in the morning light, when the grass is still cool and soft. Did you know? In many cultures, the hoopoe is a symbol of good fortune and wisdom.